Vegetables, Joey?
Vegetables.
Vegetables?
Vegetable, meat, vegetable.
It's artichoke season.
This is artichoke.
Like eating an artichoke.
Artichoke!
Asparagus.
Asparagus?
With asparagus?
Asparagus, right?
Rice noodles with basil.
Basil?
Mozzarella and some basil.
Basil and tarragon.
Beet salad.
Lemon ginger beet.
I'm a beet farmer.
Money or the beet?
They are excellent. Beet red.
So you got your bell pepper, your onion.
And a bell pepper.
A bell pepper.
Bell peppers!
Broccoli.
And broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
Cookies. Brussels sprouts.
Mac and cheese. Brussels sprouts.
And Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Oh my god, it's Brussels sprouts!
Cabbage.
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 Huh. Red cabbage, white cabbage.
Ooh, carrot. A carrot?
Carrot cake.
Carrot.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Cheese, lettuce.
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 Kind of sweet, like a leek. Leo.
What's magic leek soup?
Leek and potato soup.
The leek sauce?
Oh, good. Soft cooked trout, fennel.
The basil. The fennel.
Fennel, ginger, jasmine, or mint.
I brought you this mixture of licorice and fennel.